today we're going shopping to get my school food.
Yeah, school lunches.
And right there is the shop.
Okay, we're gonna go get a cart now.
Yeah.
What do you need to get a cart?
Here.
No, show them what you need to get a cart. What are you holding in your hand? What is that?
Coin.
What is a coin? How much is it?
I don't know.
It's $1. You need $1 to get a shopping cart. Let's go. Yes, you have to put it in that slot. Oh, you're having a hard time? Let me help. Let's see. What? Oh, see, you have to maybe push it in more. There. Oh, okay. I got it. So now we're going to go in the grocery store. Yay. Okay, so we're going to go and get some snacks for lunch. Do you want some strawberries for your snack for lunchtime?
I love strawberries.
You love strawberries? Okay, pick one. Ooh, let's see. Wow, these look good. Okay. Ooh, and we're gonna get peaches for Hugo's snack time because Hugo likes peaches, right?
Yeah, but I don't like peaches.
You don't like peaches? They're so good and yummy.
I don't like them.
Good job.
I just don't like the skin peeling.
Cantaloupe is also a good snack time fruit, right?
So get the small ones or the
Ooh, look at this big one. Let's get this big one right here. Yeah. Let's get this one and we can cut it into small pieces for snack time. You can have some for lunch too. I think we're getting all snack food. We can use this for lunch too.
Snacks is junk food.
Snack is junk food? No, snack time. You're supposed to have fresh fruits to be healthy. Ooh, what is this? You're gonna get tangerines? Okay.
Yeah, these are my favorite mini oranges.
The mini oranges, they're tangerines.
But I call them mini oranges because they taste like oranges.
Okay, what about mango? There's mangoes.
How much should we get?
We should get 3. Wow. See? In Canada,
We need to get
we get
one
mangoes
with-
that are green and we have to wait until they're ripe before we eat them. Get the red ones. Yeah.
Yeah, but that means they're almost ready.
Yeah, and then we can eat them soon.
That one's got Scott.
Ooh, and then this one, we can wait until a little longer to eat. Oh, I guess we're getting 4. Look.
So this is the fruit side.
Whoa. 1, 2,
So
3,
mommy,
4.
Mommy,
What?
these are the fruit. This is the fruit side and this is the side.
Okay. Ooh, look at this. We need carrots too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna mix soup.
Ew.
Oh no, what did you just step on? What is that? A puddle of water. It's just water, Ella. It's okay. Let's get some carrots. Yeah, carrots for soup.
Carrot soup?
Not carrot soup, but it's gonna have carrots in it. Get this one.
Oh yeah, remember that soup you made?
Yeah.
I loved it.
Yeah. Okay, carrots, good. Okay.
This is the vegetable side, Eddie.
Okay.
That's the vegetable side.
Okay, what about cucumber? Cucumber.
You do love cucumber.
Yeah. Need cucumber for sushi. We're gonna make sushi for lunch.
I don't like sushi with vegetables. I only like sandwiches.
Yeah. Okay, that's okay. So
Okay,
how
now
about
we're gonna
how
get-
about mushrooms in our soup? No?
How do you take my food?
You don't like mushrooms with the
But
soup?
Don't give me the mushrooms in the soup.
Okay, if
get
you don't
the-
like mushrooms, then we're not gonna get it.
But
Okay.
don't you like mushrooms?
Well, I like mushrooms. I like all fruits and vegetables, but you know, majority wins.
We're getting bananas.
We're getting bananas? Okay.
We're gonna go get the old yellow ones.
You're gonna get the yellow ones so we can eat them right away. Okay, but we need some green ones so they will be ripe when school actually starts. Because we have a couple more days until school starts. Let's get this bundle. This bundle looks good.
How much weight is this?
Oh, you want to see how much weight that is? That put it down. Put it down. We didn't see yet. They can't do it that fast. Okay.
Let's get the 2 bananas.
Okay, this one it says. Oh, you want to put more?
We gotta see if 2 is enough and I can't do it.
Okay, I'll
This
help
one's too
you.
wiggly.
I'll help you. See? Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see.
Is that enough?
We have to wait. Pause for a bit. Okay.
5.
Let's see. That says it's 5 pounds.
Okay, so that's
Yeah,
enough.
5 pounds. Okay, let's go. Okay.
Give me the yellow one.
So bananas. Oh, bananas go on the top because they're fruits, right?
Yeah.
No, this one is. I want this one. That one's too green. This one's too green. Let's get this one.
No, this one.
No, this one. Let's get this one.
Okay.
Yeah. Good job.
Mommy, we need more bread too.
Okay, what kind of bread are we gonna get?
White
No. Whole wheat bread is healthier. Let's get whole wheat bread.
It's whole meat bread.
Whole wheat bread is the brown one. See, it says whole wheat.
Mommy,
100%
you can make French
whole
toast
wheat
with that,
Texas.
though.
What?
We can get both. You can make French toast for dinner for us.
Dinner?
No, for like school. I mean.
You mean like breakfast?
Yeah. So when we go on the bus, we can get both.
Okay, get both then. Okay, wait. Let's get brown bread. Oops.
Take this into the house.
Hmm? Yeah, we have to put that on top so it doesn't squish. It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's get the brown bread. Get the thin slice. See, it says thin slice. See? Thin slice. Well, thin sandwich. So then we're not eating too much bread. Yeah, good job. Hey, did you get thin slice white bread?
No.
Oh, yeah. See, you got thin sandwich. Yeah, and
I
then
want French sandwich.
100% whole wheat thin sandwich. Yeah, we want thin sandwiches so then we don't eat that much
Mommy,
bread.
just get chicken.
Oh, wait. I thought you wanted to get the donut. Oh, you're running to get the donut now? You know where the donuts are, right? Yeah, Ella's favorite,
They're
donuts.
fresh.
They're fresh? Wait.
I like it when they're better liquidy. The cream is more softer and liquidy, but it's much more fresher.
Junk food side.
We're gonna get sausages, which is this one.
Yeah, this is for breakfast. This is for school breakfast. When you wake up, I'll have these ready for you to go to school and have a good day on a full belly.
We're gonna get these vegetables.
No, it's called Lunchables. It's lunch mate, but
I'm gonna go get the hot dog.
yeah, we usually call them Lunchables. Oh, that's a hot dog flavor?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we gotta do it.
Okay.
We put it.
But there's also this turkey one, turkey flavor. This pizza pepperoni Lunchable.
No.
And oh, this one's ham.
No, I tried that before.
Look,
I
ham.
didn't like it.
You don't like that? Oh, look. Did we get 2 cheese pizza? Oh.
No.
Okay, but we decided to get the hot dog.
Yeah. We're gonna get milk.
Milk? Oh yeah, milk is good for your morning breakfast. You can have it with cereal.
Oh,
You-
look over there.
You can have it just a glass of milk. Will start your day off good before you go to school.
I think we should put it in the into the junk, but this is healthy, but it's not. But then we get a glass of orange juice for the morning.
Yeah, a glass of orange juice for morning breakfast. That's a good idea. You get a lot of calcium with orange juice. Whoa. That's in there tight. You're always choosing the big bottles. Good job.
I think we should have cookies for snack.
Cookies for snack time? Okay, we can change it up and have a variety. I guess you can have a little bit of sugar, right? Mommy needs vinegar for cleaning and cooking. Yeah. Okay, so let's get 1 vinegar bottle. Whoa, that's a 4-liter vinegar bottle.
Can we put it on the bottom?
No, it's okay.
How about that we get nano?
Yeah, nano yogurt. Yeah, that's
It's
good.
already open.
Yeah, that's good. It's okay. That's just a little bit open. It's
Let's
just
get
packaging.
Two. Let's get 2 because this is very small.
Okay. We're going to have that for lunch, right?
Yeah.
You're going to put that in your lunch box. Ooh, we can't forget some cheese string. Oh, you're going the wrong side. cheese string, yeah, for lunch. Yeah.
I just want the small ones. I want like those
It's the same thing.
chip ones.
This one's easier to eat at lunchtime.
Chip section. We need to go to chip section.
We're gonna go to the chip section. Why? You want chips for lunch? Okay. I guess help chips is gonna help you get full. Hey, we're gonna go this way. This is where the chip is. Okay. Oh, the cart's getting heavy. Yep, you're gonna get. What are you gonna get? You're gonna get Pringles? Okay, which one? The onion one? Let's see. Pringles, sour cream, and onion chips.
My favorite.
Okay, good. Okay, so that's one chip snack lunch item down.
Okay, I
Okay.
don't know what else is in this.
I think we should get some ketchup chips.
No,
Why?
I don't like them anymore.
Well, I like them. Let's get some ketchup chips. Okay, let's see. And all dressed. The kids like all dressed. Yeah. Leo and Hugo like all dressed.
Me too. I don't.
Ooh, okay. Are you excited because school is starting, Ella? You like school? Yeah, everyone likes school. It's so fun.
I want orange juice and apple juice.
You're gonna get orange juice and apple juice? Okay, that's a good deal. And that's for your lunchbox too, right? Yeah. In addition to water, you're gonna have some orange juice and apple juice in your lunchbox. Found a space for it? Or a spot for it?
I'm gonna go get coconut water from Mama.
Oh yeah, coconut water.
Which one?
Both of them. Let's get both of them. Coconut water is a good source of hydration and also potassium.
I don't like coconut anymore.
I like coconut water because it is so healthy for you. Yep.
Mama!
Ooh. Okay. You got stuck. Ooh, let's get cereal for breakfast too, so we have a variety. Wow, look at all the cereal that we have here. Okay, which one are you gonna get? Ooh, you're gonna get Fruit Loops. Fruit Loops cereal. Ooh, look at what we have here. It's close to Halloween. They're selling in grocery stores these Halloween packs that have small bags. So there's 40 bags. Wow, that's a lot, 40 bags. That would be 40 days worth of lunch chips.
Can't give me that.
Okay, I'll help you. Let's get it.
You gotta put it in the bottom.
Okay.
You put it in the bottom, Mommy. You gotta put it in the bottom, Mommy.
Oh, good. Hey, it's not heavy. Okay, that's 40 days worth of chips. But, well, it's gonna be for 3 of you, so it's not gonna actually last 40 days. But that's okay. Okay, we're gonna get some celery for our soup, right? Ooh, we can have soup for lunch too. I can pack it into your thermostat, and then you can have it for lunch.
Okay.
Celery. Oh yeah, put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. No, this one's good. This one's good. They all look good actually. Whoa, 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 whoa.
2 feet.
Oh, and we need potatoes for our soup.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, I love potatoes.
So I can pack you soup for your lunch. Yeah. I'm gonna put it in the thermostat. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna taste yummy. Oh, and the good thing about soup is you can freeze it too. Oh, there's no room. Let's make room.
Don't touch the sharpie.
Right there. Put it in right there. Okay. Good. Yay! I think we're done. I think that's all we need for our lunch preparation Back to school. Yeah. What's that?
Orange hat.
You made an orange hat?
Yeah.
Okay, it's time to check out all our lunch food or back to school food. Yay. Breakfast, lunch. It's gonna be awesome. Unloaded all the school food
You
on the
almost forgot your
conveyor
pay
belt.
To get your money.
No, I went to get our reusable bags.
But your
Yeah.
people.
Okay, so I think that's it.
Come here, Mason.
We just paid for our groceries and it went to a grand total of $173.73. Yay! All of that for lunch and breakfast. Back to school, fun.
Bye. And you like to subscribe.
Yeah, and I hope you have fun going to back to school shopping for your lunch too.
Me